हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय न्यू वीडियो। बारिश बहुत तेज हुई। इट रेन्ड हैवीली। इट रेन्ड हैवीली। जब वह आया मैं सो रहा था। आई वॉज स्लीपिंग व्हेन ही केम। आई वॉज स्लीपिंग व्हेन ही केम। मैंने तुम्हारा फोन उठाया। आई पिक्ड अप योर कॉल। आई पिक्ड अप योर कॉल। जब मैं पहुंचा सभी जा चुके थे। When I arrived, everyone had left. When I arrived, everyone had left. तुम देर से आए थे। You came late. You came late. उसने क्या कहा था? What did he say? What did he say? मैंने उसे माफ कर दिया। I forgave him. I forgave him. क्या तुमने सबको बताया? Did you tell everyone? Did you tell everyone? तुमने मुझे बुलाया क्यों नहीं? Why didn't you call me? Why didn't you call me? हम बाजार जा रहे थे। We were going to the market. We were going to the market. क्या तुमने कुछ कहा? Did you say something? Did you say something? तुमने यह क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell this? Why didn't you tell this? मैं बहुत थक गया था। I was tired. I was tired. उसने कभी सच नहीं बोला। He never told the truth. He never told the truth. हमने एक नई जगह देखी। We saw a new place. We saw a new place. मैंने कोशिश नहीं की। I didn't try. I didn't try. तुम कब लौटे? When did you return? When did you return? क्या तुम वहां गए थे? Did you go there? Did you go there? क्या वह तुम्हारे साथ था? Was he with you? Was he with you? क्या यह तुम्हारा विचार था? Was it your idea? Was it your idea? क्या उसने तुम्हें देखा? Did he see you? Did he see you? उसने तुम्हें क्या बताया? What did he tell you? What did he tell you? क्या उसने सबको बुलाया था? Had he invited everyone? Had he invited everyone? वह मेरी मदद कर रही थी। She was helping me. She was helping me. उसने क्या कहा? What did he say? What did he say? क्या तुमने मुझे बुलाया था? Did you call me? Did you call me? तुमने क्या देखा? What did you see? What did you see? क्या उसने तुम्हें देखा था? Had he seen you? Had he seen you? वह समय पर नहीं आया। He didn't arrive on time. He didn't arrive on time. उसने मुझसे कुछ नहीं पूछा। He didn't ask me anything. He didn't ask me anything. वह घर पर नहीं था। He wasn't at home. He wasn't at home. क्या तुमने फिल्म देखी? Did you watch the movie? Did you watch the movie? उसने मुझे कुछ नहीं बताया. He didn't tell me anything. He didn't tell me anything. क्या सब कुछ ठीक था? Was everything all right? Was everything all right? वे मेरे दोस्त नहीं थे. They weren't my friend. They weren't my friend. हम समय पर नहीं पहुंचे. We didn't arrive on time. We didn't arrive on time. तुमने मेरी मदद नहीं की. You didn't help me. You didn't help me. मैंने उसे कॉल नहीं किया. I didn't call him. I didn't call him. वह कल बहुत परेशान थी. She was very upset yesterday. She was very upset yesterday. क्या तुमने कोशिश की थी? Had you tried? Had you tried? वे बाजार जा रहे थे. They were going to the market. They were going to the market. तुमने मुझे याद नहीं किया. You didn't remember me. You didn't remember me. वह रो रहा था. He was crying. He was crying. तुमने कौन सी किताब पढ़ी? Which book did you read? Which book did you read? बारिश हो रही थी. It was raining. It was raining. वह मुझे पसंद नहीं आया. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. मैंने तुम्हारा नाम सुना था. I heard your name. I heard your name. वह बहुत अच्छा गा रहा था. He was singing very well. He was singing very well. बच्चे खेल रहे थे. The kids were playing. The kids were playing. हम पिछले साल मुंबई गए थे. We went to Mumbai last year. We went to Mumbai last year. तुमने मेरी मदद की. You helped me. You helped me. क्या तुमने मुझसे झूठ बोला था? Did you lie to me? Did you lie to me? मैंने उसका इंतजार किया. I waited for him. I waited for him. तुमने मेरी बात नहीं मानी. You didn't listen to me. You didn't listen to me. उसने मुझे सच्चाई बताई. She told me the truth. She told me the truth. मैं कुछ सोच रहा था. I was thinking about something. I was thinking about something. हमने सब कुछ साफ किया. We cleaned everything. We cleaned everything. वह खाना बना रही थी. She was cooking food. She was cooking food. वह मेरी बात से सहमत था. He agreed with me. He agreed with me. वह मुझसे बात नहीं कर रहा था. He wasn't talking to me. He wasn't talking to me. उन्होंने एक नई कंपनी शुरू की. They started a new company. They started a new company. बारिश हो रही थी जब हम निकले. It was raining when we left. It was raining when we left. मैं कल वहां गया था। I went there yesterday. I went there yesterday. हमने यात्रा शुरू करने से पहले योजना बनाई थी। We had planned before starting the trip. We had planned before starting the trip. तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया। You did a great job. You did a great job. उसने वादा किया था लेकिन निभाया नहीं। He had promised but didn't keep it. He had promised but didn't keep it. उसने मुझे एक पत्र लिखा। He wrote me a letter. He wrote me a letter. उसने मुझे कभी निराश नहीं किया था। He had never disappointed me. He had never disappointed me. उसने गलती मान ली। He admitted the mistake. He admitted the mistake. तुम कुछ सोच रहे थे, है ना? You were thinking about something, right? You were thinking about something, right? मैंने तुम्हारा इंतजार किया पर तुम नहीं आए। I waited for you but you didn't come. I waited for you but you didn't come. हम वहां नहीं गए। We didn't go there. We didn't go there. वह स्कूल नहीं गया। He didn't go to school. He didn't go to school. मैंने किसी को कुछ नहीं बताया। I didn't tell anyone anything. I didn't tell anyone anything.